Clean that screen there. Thanks for tuning in to another great episode of Driven by Gears. Today we just have a small little feature on the headlight conversion. Stay watching. Alright, basically as you can see here, I got a one-way to a two-way splitter. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook this into the main headlights and run this down to the running lights. So basically when the headlights are on, the running lights will be on too. So it will basically hook up like that and then split two ways. So instead of just not using the running lights at all, which I've pretty much deactivated them for the daytime because, I don't really think you need them, but now I'll have 4 lights that are running during the day. That way I can blind some more people. Yep, that will be really good. We'll blind them with kindness. Anyway, keep watching. We'll take the grill off, all that simple stuff, and keep it. So there we have it right there. As you can see, it was a pretty easy install. Just a one factory connector to two. So basically, instead of running the running lights during the day, you're going to run it when you have your regular headlights on. And that way you'll have 4 bulbs shining, and then your fog lights, of course. Plenty of lighting there. Pretty easy, simple install to do. I'll put the link where I got the connectors on eBay, or you can make them yourself. You can actually buy all the little terminal ends and splices and all that, and actually make these harnesses yourself. And this is a really cheap kit to buy. I think it's $10 and you get a whole bunch of them. So as you can see, if it's that bright during the day, it's going to be really good at night. And if y'all noticed, I got those long glow tubes just hidden up in there, just to kind of give it that new school retro look. Or not retro, I should say, more modern day look. And when you turn the blinker on, as you can see, the whole inside blinks yellow with the regular factory yellow blinker. So just, you know, a really small budget upgrade, just to kind of make it different. There's so many of these trucks running around, you know, it's just the same old factory headlights. So I'm trying to make it different. So anyway, hopefully y'all liked this video. I'm sure you did. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if it's your first time here. And if you love anything driven by gears, this is the channel for you. So, and as always, keep it simple, keep it sweet.